It's difficult to say when I began taking photographs because photography was always part of my life, really. My work, if anything, is about the way people inhabit the world around us and the way we interact with our environment. What I'm always love about the landscape is not so much the pretty picture. I'm not noted as someone who photographs pretty pictures, pretty scenes. The overwhelming majority of my pictures, if you look at them, are very, very ordinary places. And I suppose, in simple terms, what I'm trying to do is turn the ordinary into extraordinary and to celebrate those prosaic places. I've kind of ploughed a furrow, and all this work is not being commissioned. It's work that I've initiated myself, and I can see this kind of progression, natural progression, how I've progressed as a photographer, how I've changed, how I've evolved, and I've been able to put that back into the work and make what I think, what I hope people will appreciate as being fairly significant and hopefully enrich their lives as well as in the same way as it's enriched mine. Oh God, I could cry.